Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy. We'll start by gathering all your essential ingredients, like sugar, corn syrup, and your chosen flavorings. Next, prepare your kitchen with the right tools, such as a sturdy saucepan and a reliable candy thermometer. Finally, set up a safe, heat-resistant area for handling the hot candy mixture. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful candy-making experience. Now let's get cooking. Combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy saucepan. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves, then stop stirring. Allow the mixture to boil steadily without interruption. Watch your candy thermometer closely as it climbs. You're aiming for exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the crucial hard crack stage for perfect candy. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet content. On another note, for all your recipe reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for following along in the kitchen or relaxing with a good book. You can find the link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your syrup reaches temperature, remove it from the heat immediately. This is where the magic happens. Carefully stir in your chosen flavorings and food coloring. Then, quickly and cautiously pour the hot liquid onto your prepared surface or into candy molds. Let it cool undisturbed until it's completely hard. Once firm, you can break it into pieces or wrap your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.